What's going on up there? Yeah. Where was I?
Okay, back.
Bye. Hey you, product creator. How would you like 13 ideas for your Instagram Reels that you can make today that will actually grow your product-based business for free? I know creating videos might be the last thing on your busy to-do list, but these ideas are fun and they're pretty quick. I mean, Instagram Reels are only 15 to 30 seconds. So if you're wanting to grow for free on Instagram through short form video marketing, AKA Reels, keep watching and I'm gonna give you a ton of ideas. And stay tuned until the end where I'm gonna share a Reel idea that you might not have thought of that's super effective at encouraging your followers to buy more of your products. Now, right off the bat, if you're feeling a little skeptical that Instagram can't really grow your product-based business, you gotta meet my student, Lonnie, who is an artist. And he went from making about $1,000 in sales in 1 month to getting on video and making over $15,000 in sales the next month. Like, that jump is crazy, but that just speaks to the power of video marketing for your product-based business. I'm getting excited, so let's dive into the 13 Reel ideas I have for you. The first Reel idea that you should make to grow your business is to take your followers behind the scenes and show what it looks like to actually create or manufacture your product. This type of video has proven to do well on both TikTok and Reels because people love to see what goes on behind the scenes to create something, and they especially love to support a small business. So if you can walk them through how it all happens, I want you to show this in 15 seconds or less. If you want to see what this looks like, here's an example reel. The second Reel idea for your product business is again behind the scenes, but this time I want you to show the packaging and the shipping that goes on in your business. Because you sell products, they're likely physical products, and you're likely shipping them around the world, go ahead and show your followers what it takes to wrap up your goods and send them around the world. Here is an example.
Gonna weather the storm, don't care whether it pours down, the heavens will fall, I'll be there for the fallout. Gonna weather the storm, I'll be there for it all night.
The third Reel idea you can make is to take someone behind the scenes again, but share with them the story or the process behind the work, especially if it's custom work. So if you have created something specifically for one of your clients or customers, go ahead and share a little bit about that story and that process. Here is an example reel. The fourth Reel idea to grow your product business is to show an unboxing video. Now, unboxing or haul type videos have been popular on YouTube for many years, and the same concept applies to Instagram Reels. Go ahead and show what it looks like for your customer to receive your package and open it. Here's an example.
5, 6, 7, 8. Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Looking super fine in your corduroy. Drive me round the block, we can go in a loop, and we'll turn the vibe up on some good boy bands who lives.
The fifth idea I have for your product business is this one. Show off the features of your product, meaning what are the features that make you different from your competitors? And better yet, connect the features to the benefits they have for your customer's life. This reel by Ruggable is a perfect example of what I mean.
Ruggable rugs are accident-proof rugs made for real life. That means spill and stain resistance to messes caused by pets, babies, and adult babies, like me, who can only be trusted with a sippy cup. It's totally machine washable, so you can spend less time stressing and more time.
The sixth reel idea is to show your product in use or how to use it. I know from your perspective, it's probably pretty obvious how your product works because you live it day in, day out. But to a follower on Instagram, they might not know. So go ahead and create a demo or a few clips that show your product in use or the steps that someone needs to take to use it. Here's an example. The seventh reel idea is to answer a frequently asked question that you get about your product. Don't be afraid to get specific or to answer the questions that you are receiving the most. Here are 2 example reels for you. The eighth reel idea is for you to showcase what lifestyle aspects come along with your product. You want to show the viewer how the product actually fits into their life so they can imagine it. That way, they're going to go ahead and order it ASAP. So here's an example of a brand incorporating their product into Self-Care Sunday.
Self-care Sunday routine. Light your fave candle, selling sunset because duh, some space candy bath rocks, adaptogenic spa mist and body wash, washing away the negative energy, and finally some unicorn CBD. This shit slaps.
The ninth reel idea is for you to show just pure inspiration. What does your product look like in terms of being ultimate goals for your customer? Go ahead and inspire your followers. Show them what their life could look like with your product in it. Here are 2 examples.
You want my love, I want you hard. Just for a minute, come by and let me feel it. Cause you want my love, I want you hard. Just for a minute, come by and let me finish. You want my love, I want you.
The 10th reel idea is for you to jump on a holiday that's happening right now. Maybe it's a major holiday like Christmas, or maybe it's a random holiday like International Cookie Day or something like that. But go ahead and Google what holidays are happening right now and see if you can create a reel that connects your product to that holiday celebration. Here is an example.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I am telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Make a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town.
The 11th reel idea is something that I call this or that. This type of reel is a great way for you to show off the variations of your product. You can show your product in one color and another color, and then ask your audience to choose what they prefer. Here's an example of what I mean.
Becky Express, yeah. Quick polish preferred. No one leave an impression. Color of vibes, oh yes. Flawless obsessed. My new aesthetic with SC,
The 12th reel idea for your product biz is to create a video that shows your product close up. Especially in today's day and age when people are more likely to shop online and not be able to touch and feel your product in person. So go ahead and create a video that shows all the close-up details of your product. Here are 2 examples.
Whoa. What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa. Nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are too hot in the business. Whoa. About to make a movie independent. Whoa. Need new trucks independent. Whoa. I need you to listen to the vision. Whoa.
Last but not least, the 13th real idea for your product business is to introduce you and your team to your followers. Now, a lot of product businesses don't do this because they don't want to be the face of the brand. That's fine. You don't have to be the face of your brand, but the point of this reel is to connect with your followers human to human, because people do business with people. So if they can get to know you or your team, the people behind the brand, they're more likely to feel connected to you and your product. Here's an example of what I mean. All right, there you have it. 13 ideas. I can't even fit 13 ideas for your Instagram Reels to grow your product business for free on Instagram. If you want even more ideas like this, to the tune of 300, then you should check out my product Videos Vault. It has 300 ideas for short form videos that you can make to grow your product business, your service business, or your coaching business. There's so much packed into Videos Vault, just like this video that I've shared with you today. So go ahead and check out videosvault.co. And of course, I'll leave the link right below this video. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching today's training where I shared real ideas for your product-based business. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you don't miss any future trainings just like this one.